Now that you have your research topic narrowed down, it's time to come up with a question. To do that, we'll perform an exercise called topic mapping. Grab a piece of paper and something to write with for this activity. First, draw a circle in the middle of your page. Write your research topic down inside. Next, think of different things you want to know about your topic. Branch out from the central circle using question words. Who, what, when, where, why, how. Pause this video as you write down all the questions you can think of about your topic. Now we're going to get more specific. Find a section of your topic map that looks interesting. You can now expand. Think of the context, including geographic areas, time periods, groups of people, cultures, and current issues. Pause now as you develop this section of your topic map. Let's look at your expanded topic map. What stands out to you? Do you see keywords and concepts that intrigue you? If not, go back one step and expand upon another section of your map. When you are fully satisfied by the contents of your map, then you are ready to come up with a question. Using phrases, concepts, and keywords from your topic map, form your ideas into possible research questions. If you have many questions on your list, you can narrow it down by reviewing your assignment details and talking to your instructor. You can also test each question's relevance and depth by watching the Asking So What video in this video series. As you do research, you might find yourself adding to your topic map or looking back at old topic maps to connect new ideas. If you find your topic map growing or shrinking and need further help with your research, ask a librarian. We are here in person, via 24/7 chat, email, and phone to help answer your questions, or visit the reference librarians at the library.